What's up, everybody? It's the J-Rex here. Um, Hope everybody's doing well, doing good, and I hope they've been turning it up, raising the roof, putting it on the table, and I hope everybody's just knocking that out and doing great. So I'm gonna make this video today. So I keep telling people like, oh, buy silver, buy silver. Silver is where it's at. Silver is going to make you rich. Silver is the place to be. I talk about that so much. I make so many videos about making money off of silver, getting rich off of silver. Okay, but it's like, silver's not always going to be the place to be. We cannot be in silver forever. So the question is, after we've sold our silver, got filthy motherfucking rich, and turning it up across the whole map, what do we do next? So I'm gonna make this video my personal opinion on what I think would be the best thing to do after we sold our silver. You don't want to be in silver forever. You want to switch up. So I still go by the theory that I think by around the year 2030 we should see silver skyrocketing. So I'll be about 40 years old when that happens. I'll still be relatively young. So by the time silver goes up, I'll be 38, 39, 40 years old. So when it does, what do we do? My personal opinion, I think once silver has finally hit its full peak, which is the magic 1-to-1 gold to Dow Jones ratio, about 1-to-1. Once you do that, once you reach the 1-to-1 ratio, gold to Dow Jones ratio, once you reach that, when gold reaches 1-to-1 ratio with the stock market, that's the time that you should sell your silver, because usually when gold goes up, silver goes up with it. So yeah. So I think really the best thing to do after that is the stock market, you know. Uh, I think after that, I can say really like guaranteed by that point you go into the stock market full force, you're gonna make guaranteed like profit, like boom shakalaka, chick chick burr, holla holla, get dollar dollar, get money. Uh, yep. So I think so you see here this is Think or Swim. Think or Swim. But not just any, that's the thing though. Don't just invest in the stock market, not just any kind of stock market. Do day trading stock. Day trading stocks. Pump and dump. The shebang bang, Slap that shit on the motherfucking table. The reason why I say day trading, like don't, you can play it safe and invest in the big stocks like Apple and Microsoft or whatever. That's not where the real money is. Those are bigger stocks. They're more expensive. You can't buy as much of that. So when it goes up, you don't make as much off of that. Okay? So, say for like, I mean, yeah, you make a lot of money off of the big stocks, but it takes a little bit longer because those are kind of more, like I said, you can't buy as much of it. So when it goes up, yeah, you make a profit, but you don't have as many shares as you would. You don't have as many shares as you would, so you don't make as much, I think, personally, my personal opinion. I think day trading is where it's at. If you have so much money to the point where, I don't know, you could put like $1 million, you can put like $1 million in it, and, just going up 5 times makes, just Apple going up 5 times or 4 times will make you like $4 million. By all means, go for it, But if you're able to get something else cheaper and just make profit off small things, why not? So here's an example. I'm going to use an example right now. So as soon as you sell your silver, start doing day trading with the stock market, okay? I mean, 40, I'll be 40 years old. There's probably younger than me investing in silver. You'll be like 35, 34 years old. People older than me, they'll be 50 years old at that point. Your mind is still fresh. Your mind is still kicking it. This is easy. You know, anybody, day trading it's easy, dude. If you're rich, it's easy. And we're going to get rich off of silver, so it's going to be easy, you know? So, let's say when silver finally goes up and you make like $100,000 selling your silver. Now, let's say you get into the stock market, do day trading. Let's say you do some day trading for the day. I don't know if anybody's ever seen day trading, but it's like when it's live, it's like it's really fast. It's pretty fast paced, you know? Like you'll see the bar moving up and down, and then it'll move to another bar, that bar goes up. Like it's like a bar, it just keeps going up and or it goes down, and it's like it's telling you like a stock is going up or down. It's live. It's in the moment. So yeah. So let's what's a good, can I find a good one? Yeah, I could just use this. Okay, so if anybody's seen live trading, like usually like a stock, it'll go up maybe 10 cents, and then it'll go up 20 cents, 30 cents, and then it drops down, goes up another 20, 10 cents, drops down again. Like you see here, you know, it's going down and it goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. You know, the times where it goes up is your moneymaker. So you can see here it went, let's use this as an example. This is a bottom. And then it went from $8.57 to so it went from $8.50 a share to $9.60. Okay, so it went up $1. It went up $1. It went up $1 within, I don't know, 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, that's not day trading, but I don't have a day chart, so I can't show you. Fuck. You know what? Let me do this. Can I? How do I do it? I don't even know how to do it. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. I just got this. I just installed this yesterday. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm still learning about day trading. So it goes up. It goes up. Let's say, for example, I've seen live trading. This always happens. It goes up at least like 10 cents. Whenever a stock goes up, it goes up at least 10 cents. Whenever it's having these momentum shifts, it's going up like 10 cents within like a literally like a minute. Literally goes up like 10 cents a minute. So let's say it goes up 10 cents a minute. You buy 100. Let's say a share is, I don't know. Okay, let's say, what is this? What is this? This was $8.50. So let's say you buy, you know, put all of that into $8.50 worth of shares. That's 11,000 shares. A lot of shares. And then you times that, so it went up to $8.50. Or wait. Let's say $7.60. Did I? Oh, what did I do again? Damn it. $100,000. Let's say it's $7 or okay, $7.50 a share. One share to buy one. Okay. Times, and then it goes up 10 cents. $7.60. Yeah, you made $1,000. It fucking went up 10 cents. And you made $1,000. $1,333 off one stock going up 10 cents. Easy money. You just made $1,000 right there within a minute. Yeah. This is where it's at, man. Like once we make money, once we sell our silver, get into day trading. And it's not hard, you know? $1,300? You know, you're good. $1,300, you're pretty much set. That pretty much has rent, water, utilities. That's everything paid off. You paid off all your bills. You know, your water, your rent, your electricity, your food. You paid off all your bills within a minute. 1 minute. You know, 1 day of trading stocks. Okay, you know, or hell, okay, I don't know, 1 week, 2 weeks, if we want to use by these terms. You made 1 grand within a week or two. So, you know, oh, this is not even, yeah, that's not even a week, that's not even 2 weeks because this is a dollar, this is a whole dollar. So if, we're just talking about 10 cents. Okay, well, let's say you go by the dollar one. 100,000, okay, it goes up a dollar. Divided, $8.50, and then times, it goes up to $9.50. Yeah, you made $11,000. You made $11,000 within 1 or 2 weeks. Just this high right here. 11,000, dude, you're set, man. Oh my god, you're set. That's ridiculous. You just sat on your butt, watching tickers go by, sitting on your ass, picking your nose, eating your boogers and shit. You, within a minute, or within a week or two, you made $11,000. That's ridiculous. Like, you didn't do anything. You just clicked a button, sell, buy, and you're done. This is easy. Like, day trading is just, if you're rich, if you have the money, day trading is ridiculously easy. You don't have to do much. If you don't have money, it might be a little bit harder because now you have to take more chances and try to get more profit on your ups. But, you know, shit, you could have just stopped right here at 10 cents and you would have made $1,300. You know, you could have just played it safe, stopped at 10 cents, don't take any chances, play it safe the whole time, make 10 cents and sell at 10 cents every time. You make $1,000, $1,000 every time. This is like, it's easy money. It's easy. You don't have to do jack squat. It's easy. So, I personally think, you know, don't stay in silver forever. I say by the time gold reaches to Dow Jones 1-to-1 ratio, by that point, sell your silver or gold. Now, I don't know how much people, there might be some people that have even more than $100,000 worth of silver. Okay, I say $100,000 because, you know, by the time silver goes up and somebody sells their silver, they might make about $100,000 worth of silver. You know, like what if somebody has 1,000 and silver goes up 100? Yeah, you made $100,000 if silver goes up $100, which is guaranteed. That's gonna definitely happen. That's definitely gonna motherfucking happen, of course, and it's gonna go a lot higher than that, guaranteed. I'll explain that in my later videos. But yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. So what do we do after we're done with silver? After we've done and sold everything? Get into day trading stocks, okay? And if you're making $11,000 every month, you're set. You're good. You're set. You don't have to work again a day in your life again. You know, you don't have to work a day ever. No more, you know, no more having to put up with bullshit at work or having to put up with hostile bosses that want to give you hell and want to make sure you're as depressed and miserable as possible. You don't have to put up with any of that shit anymore. Silver goes up, 2030, just day trade. Just day trade, relax for the rest of your life, and live it good. Okay? And if there's people younger than me, enjoy the rest of your life, 35, 34 onwards. Older people, retire at 50 and just live off of your day trading money. You know? So, shit. I mean, even if you were to like just live off of this, retire off of this at age 50, you're still doing a lot better than other people. Because like shit, my mother and father, they're like, you know, 55, 56 years old, getting close to 60, and they're not even close to retiring yet. So they're like drowning in debt, unfortunately. You know, they won't be able to get out of debt anytime soon. So, yeah, debt slaves. My mother and father at the age of 55, 56 years old. Don't be like that. You know, by 55, 56 years old, you should not have to be worrying about drowning in debt. you should definitely be you should be living the good life by 55, not drowning in debt by the age of 55, you know. So, you know, my dad has a lot of mortgages to pay, paying the mortgage, the land, the cars, you know, it's a lot of debt. And, yeah, my dad's a slave to it, and he has to work, no choice. So don't be like that, you know. Live the good life. And silver and the stock market will help you get to that. So thank you for watching, guys. That's really all I have to say. Peace out. I hope this video helps. Once silver goes up, get out of it, get into the stock market. So thank you guys for watching. Peace. Have a good one.